So guys, today we are just going to do a bubble sort in the short program for bubble sort. So let's get started. Bubble sort. And let's include the boilerplate code for C++. And yeah, I'm not going to make another function for bubble sort. We will just do these things in main. Okay, so let's get started. So first I need to have array size, right? So let's take array size dynamically from user. So I will say see enter array size. Okay, and then let's make it to an integer. Okay, so now that we have an array size, uh, what we can do, we can create an array with size that is an input. And now let's use loops to traverse and enter the elements from user. Okay, so I will say cout enter an elements, that is an elements. Okay, so I will just say this an elements, and I will let's use a loop for that. For int I is equals to 0, I is less than, and I plus, this is just a basic stuff, array of, so it will, so the elements which the user will be stored in this array. Okay, so now let's go to the main part. I will just see now for main bubble sort logic. Okay, what will say in bubble sort we need to have two loops, one for the elements which is outside the loop, means I want to say the before element, and the next loop is for the element which is the next. So I will just say for int I less than and I plus plus, and then again a follow for int j is equals to 0, j is less than element size minus 1. The reason why you're using n minus 1, because uh, whenever the in the first pass of the bubble shot, it will automatically, means if you see the logic, the biggest element will be automatically sent to the last position, so we don't need to again check for that element if it's sorted or not. That's why we are using n minus 1. Okay, and now is the main logic. If array of I is more than array of j, if array of j is more than array of j plus 1, then we need to swap those elements, right? Because just a quick example here, if 5 is here and here is 1, so we need to swap those, right? 1 should be here and 5 should be here. So to do that, we have to use this if condition. Okay, so we will say, and we have to create a temp variable. We can do also that in a loop, but I like this. Okay, so temp is equals to array of j is equals to array of j plus 1, and array of j plus 1 is equals to that. This is just the basic swapping logic. You can see those in my next further videos. Okay, now we can just print the array. Okay, formula is less than and I plus plus. This is cout array of I. Okay. Uh, we can use just this thing. This we can here say cout sorted array. Okay. Now it looks good. So let's run it and see if we don't have any error or not. Okay. Let's do this. I just compile this and run this. Okay, enter array size. Let's consider array size of 5. Enter 5 elements 9, 6, 5, 23, 12. And as you can see, this is the unsorted array and this is the sorted array. We are getting the correct output. Okay, so thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.